Good afternoon, friends. I'm Lona Uncaharani from class 10 MPLB 3 Absent 33. Here I will show you how to plant trees by cuttings. Enjoy watching! First of all, we prepare the tools and material first. You can see what you need. The first step we first drill holes in the cup with the nails. We profit adding acid frying. Here we profit candles to make it easy to patch holes in the cup frame. Then enter the soil that has been mixed with fertilizer in the cup. Fill some of the lower step by gently rubbing in the cutter. Then rub the peeled stems onto the shallots. Stick the stems into the steel intake shallots. If you have planted the finished stem into the soil that has been profit, then flush with water. Wrap the plant in clear plastic. Then tie with rubber. Yes, it is done.